everybody, and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar Mehr. Today, I want to take a look at index market and specifically key levels on several index markets around the world. I want to start with the Nikkei. Now, the Nikkei has a very strong level around the 18,500. I want to take first a look at the monthly, show you how strong this level has been in the past. So I've got this level actually marked here, and if I scroll back a bit in time, you can see that this was the peak in 2007, and there were some more touches around that in the 1990s. So a very strong level on this index. And if we switch into the weekly, we can see that we had a couple of touches on this level. Once we broke below that level, we came up to test it from below a couple of times. Currently, we're slightly below that level. So let's take a look at the daily, and what we can spot on the daily is really this consolidation below that level. We are making higher low and somewhat of equal highs, so I'm waiting to see if I can get a break above this level. If the market breaks above this level, I would look for long trading opportunities. However, if the market keep on finding resistance of that level, I would look to take it to the short side, to the next level over here of support and resistance that sits around the 17,800. My preferred direction, by the way, is to the long side currently, simply because the market is keep on making these higher lows, these very strong higher lows, and also we can see that the indicators are pushing higher here on the daily. Another market that is very interesting and sitting close to its level of support and resistance is the China 300. And what we can see, what we can spot on this level is the 3400. You can see we have a few touches here in the past, two touches here not so long ago. We broke down quite strongly in the month of August, and now we're pulling back into that level from underneath. Currently, we have a bearish candle here for this week, but this week has just started, but we are sitting in the sell zone here on the weekly. If we'll take a look at the daily and scroll back a bit, we can see the touches, quite strong touches on this level from the daily as well. But what happened here from the daily is we are actually in an uptrend. We're making higher highs and higher lows, and indicators are converging to the upside. So I'm waiting to see if the market can break above this level, and then I look to trade it to the upside. Currently, this market is in an uptrend. I wouldn't look to search for trading opportunities to the short side at this point in time. A little bit different is the DAX. So the DAX is a little bit further away from its level of support and resistance, and really the strong level that we can spot here from the weekly is 10,300 or there's about. We're a little bit far from that area, but again quite similar to the Nikkei. Higher lows on the daily, equal highs as well. So my preferred direction in this scenario is again to the upside, but we do have about 150 points, which is quite a nice distance here on the DAX until we reach that area. So again, looking to see how the market going to react to this level of 10,300, but there is a nice profit window between where the market sits right now and where this level of support and resistance is, which is quite different to where the Nikkei and the China 300 were sitting. A little bit different from where the market sits versus the level of support and resistance, but a lot of similarities as well, that we've got the way the daily looks like and the strong pushing of the indicators to the upside. I want to take a last look at the Euro 50, and what we can spot on the Euro 50 is again this very strong level around the 3300 of support and resistance. You can see that on the weekly. A lot of touches in the past. We broke down through it, we came up, tested it from below, fell down, and now we're coming back into this level yet again. Quite similar to the China market, we are in an uptrend here, so we are making higher highs and higher lows. Indicators are converging to the upside. Not a lot of distance between the market sits right now and its level of support and resistance, so I'm holding to see the reaction to this level. Once again, my preferred direction is to the upside, but I'll wait to see that I've got a confirmation of the break. Now, great trading opportunities exist around these strong levels of support and resistance, but one of the jobs for us as traders is to be patient, to wait for the market to actually give us a signal around those levels or to confirm a certain direction before we place our trade. So we need to have some sort of strategy, we need to have some sort of strong reasoning that in more likelihood than not our opportunity is going to go to target in order to get into the market and place that order in. So if you want to learn more about how we trade, how we look for opportunities and what sort of signals we are after from the market, then please join us on our next webinar. So our next webinar is going to run on Tuesday the 20th of October at 8 p.m. Auckland, 6 p.m. Sydney, 8 a.m. London and 3 a.m. New York, or alternatively on 8 p.m. London, 3 p.m. New York, 8 a.m. Auckland and 6 a.m. Sydney the following day. The topic for that webinar is how to trade Forex with precision. In this webinar, we are going to demystify the Forex market. We are going to explain the benefits of trading Forex over other markets and really 8 reasons why this is the perfect market for every trader regardless on their skill levels or time constraint. We're going to understand a bit more about the risk that involve in trading Forex and how a sound money management technique can help to overcome those risks. And we're going to talk a little bit more about the trade with precision approach to the Forex market. We look forward to see you on those webinars. Until then, happy trading and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.